In this video, we will show you how to use the John Deere Data Manager. With the John Deere Data Manager, you can transfer documented information from your Command Center 4600 or GreenStar 2630 display to your computer for upload to the myjohndeere.com Operations Center, as well as transferring information the other way from your computer to your display. To start the John Deere Data Manager, log in to your Operations Center account on myjohndeere.com and open the Tools menu. There, select the John Deere Data Manager icon. A new window opens, leading you to the download page. Follow the installation process steps. To start the John Deere Data Manager, log in with your myjohndeere.com account credentials. To upload data, select the folder with the data you want to upload by selecting From and choose the John Deere Operations Center organization you want the data to be uploaded to. You have several options selecting the data you want to upload to the Operations Center. First option, the data is already on your computer. Just select the data you want to upload. Second option, the data is still on your USB stick. Just connect the USB drive to the computer where the John Deere Data Manager is installed and select the data. Remember, zip files need to be unzipped before uploading. Third option, receiving display files wirelessly through JD-Link Wireless Data Transfer. Watch the video How to Use the John Deere File Manager and Data Sync on the John Deere Command Center 4600 display. After selecting the data, you simply have to click on Upload to transfer the files. Once the upload is finished, you can find the newly added files under the File icon in the Operations Center Tools menu.